There, whichever works out.
Here we have Sir John Michael Hess. Oh, look at all these. Ooh, tater chips.
That might just be a lane star, I'm not sure.
I think you've had that little ornament up on the door too long. It's getting dry. He's dried out.
That was Santa Claus.
He got stuck in the...
You may be dating him for a midnight stroll, dear.
Dude, that'd be fun. Take them a walk around the golf course. They'll be all tell them the story of the missing hole. Ooh.
Who's that one from, Bubba?
Chris.
The mailman.
Today's your
Third birthday.
Help your birthday.
Can you move your drink real quick?
Exciting and winning.
Could you have that?
You got your butt right in the camera.
Happy birthday, Chris. What? Sorry.
Okay, here, give it up.
No.
Give me the money and the envelope. You'll get it.
Honey, we're just going to put it all back together. Nobody's going to
Give me
run
the
off
money,
with it.
boy.
Here. Dad, don't put the money out here. That was for Daddy.
It was my gift that you gave me.
John Mike? I don't know that.
Oh, I know where it's at. It's on top of the phone.
Jim, what is this? Is from Jim.
Bubba, if I wanted your $5, wait till you fell asleep.
This is from Jim. This is from Jim.
You gonna wrap it?
For a special boy, a stocking that is about
I
cars.
ain't never done this out for his birthday. I was doing all. Oh, really? Well, we can get him a new fish. He's baited by.
We'll read it later.
Happy
Is there a present with that?
Yeah. I know what it is. Jim told us. Jim told them. It's a football wedding. Don't tell him.
What you need, a bank? Now you got something for $5.
Everyone knows.
I hope it doesn't have a plug in the bottom that comes out.
Probably does. Yeah.
Well, we'll just have to cement that in there. Super glue. Isn't that neat? What do you say, John Michael? John Michael. Thank you.
Can I see you?
No, you may not.
No. I'm gonna play with this way. I'll open. This is Prince Will.
Thank you.
This is Will. This is her. Thank you, Jim. This is from Will. Boy bonding. Open this one. I will.
Barbie boy.
So you're growing up.
For the birthday boy. The friendless robot has a wish. A very special one. Hope that you are PROGR program for lots of birthday fun. Happy birthday, Will. Happy birthday, Will. And this is a biggie. Who opens? Matthew, can you move on?
Turn it off. Don't tear it up. Tear it up. Jeez Louise.
Ooh, cool. Let me buy him that. See, I told you how to put the flashlight. Let me hold it. I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not people. Let me hold that ring.
Jessica, it's not yours. Be quiet.
I'm looking, bub. I'm looking.
This is from Nina. Thank you, Will.
Even got those shoes
This is
like
from
that, like little
Nina.
lantern.
This is from Nina.
That is
You
neat.
get it?
Yeah.
Come on, my auntie got me.
Even batteries.
What else you take for it?
My uncle takes the photo videos. This is from my Nina. Don't be a sticky duck. Have fun on your birthday. Okay. Love. And from Nina and Papa. From Nina and Papa.
Thank you.
It's probably closed.
Bubba, chill.
Chill out.
I know what it is. Oh, baby! Oh, yeah.
I want
All right.
No, let me have it.
Don't get that white face paint on that.
It's turn around.
it. Turn around, Bubba. It's got something.
No, it doesn't.
No,
Oh,
it
it just
don't.
matches the hat.
Neat.
You see the hat?
Can I have it?
Thank you.
You can hold it.
Oh.
I don't think so. Open Johnny.
Wait. Open Matthew. He's about to have him see it.
One thing he has, I wish we did.
Then you left.
This is from Matthew. Oh, we'll play with my Terminator later.
This is a big hat.
Which one's the front?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Kind of cool, kind of cool, kind of cool. Kind of cool, kind of fun, kind of crazy on the run. Kind of cool, kind of fun, kind of crazy on the run. Seems like everything you do is extra special just like you. Happy birthday, Matthew Spires.
Very
Isn't
nice.
that sweet? No, that was just a harmonica.
The mouth heart. Oh no, something to throw.
Not in the house.
Oh, yeah, Nerf football. Yeah. It may outside tomorrow.
Yeah, outside
It
tomorrow.
makes sound? I thought if I had that one, it would make
Bubba.
Thank you. Okay, he said, who is this from?
Let me see it, dear.
What card?
Let me see the football, dear.
That's cool football. Hey, throw it. Football. I know, this is from Joshua. The birthday. What? The birthday ninja has come to you a happy birthday. Just don't get in his way when he
Yeah, it is.
Set a bad example. Michael.
I got enough to
Okay,
Thank
let's go
you.
play football.
Let's do that one hard.
Oh, that was some swirly stuff on it.
Thank you.
No, I'm not gonna throw it at you.
What is it?
Will.
All right.
Thank
All right, Brian,
Give it up, give it up.
stop it.
Not in the house, not in the house. Daddy made a mistake.
Daddy made a big...
I will. Let me see your shirt. Is that what that was?
Those shirts, well, open them up. I want to see them.
Okay.
You sure do need them.
Here's some more on paper.
Your Uncle Justin picked those out.
Well, you can stay in here and help me clean up the kitchen if you want.
I like that.
Yeah, Will, you got hard head.
We'll invite him over. Give him a mop.
Ooh, I like that one too. Can I use that one?
I want to show him the
Look
dog.
at this guy. That's all.
Where'd he go? Hey, boy. Will.
I'm gonna open my Terminator. Yeah. Whoa.
Will.
Well, that matches your shirt too. Yeah, it does, it does.
I'm gonna see how it works first. Do you still have your trumpet? Can I play it one day? A trumpet, my brother. Saxophone. Adam, saxophone. You can change the arms on there. I know. You can change the arms. Terminator. Alright, one of them. Hey, put this in the one. Oh, wait. You're on? I'll do it. We have to practice football for today. Can you put that on? I'm good at catching.
Here. Outdoor activity tonight.
Hey, look.
Put it out there with the lights on. We'll put it out there with the lights on.
How do you get John out? Here, I'll help you. Okay, now put this one on. It'll be the real Terminator.
Where's she going?
Give me a death hat, Mark. Now we have real Terminator. Put this in the and then watch these on. I'll put it on.
I like them. Those are different.
Yeah. I got the okay. Who wants to be dead doggy me? I don't know.
Oh, me. I want to be dead dog.
Are you serious?
Really?
You press that. Let me shoot it.
Brian, will you quit throwing the... Give me the football. Give him here.
Where's the pause button? The red one? Hey, Jessica. The Dorky brothers having his dorky little friend. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Oh, look, a skeleton on the wall. Now move your head. Oh, look, a skeleton. Let's take a tour through your house and go flush the toilet. Make sure it works properly. First, Michael and his goofy friends. I'm using ugly friends. I'm using that one. Okay, number 1. And here's Auntie enjoying John Michael's party. And I am enjoying myself. Don't get me. And there's Will. Don't get me. John Michael himself. Y'all better not hit anything with me. I know. And here is John Michael's room. With little snickerchicken. Before everyone goes to sleep. Yeah, right. And after the party, I guarantee it's gonna be a mess. Quit being so pretty. Yeah, hey, hi.
Yeah, quit being pretty.
Hey, come find us wherever you are. Take one. Take one. Come find. Matthew and
already using it now.
She wants to can't see the camera now. Hey, Tammy. Hey, Tammy. You like that harmonica? Huh? I want to get a... Huh? I want to get a picture of you listening to the harmonica.
You can't get nothing but unless you get it from this side.
Where's that, Tammy?
Yeah, I like that, Dave. I got the kid to the doctor about $50 or $60 worth.
What for?
Well, she's got to have a shot. And I owe him about $30 already.
Where are you taking quarters?
You like that harmonica, huh, Tammy?
Yeah, something feels good.
You like the harmonica? She was just singing with it a while ago. It was so funny. Play those high notes. She likes that. Cock spread.
I can stick my head out the door and say, and she'll come running in the house.
Do that again. Is that what you do?
Yeah, I can stick my head out the door and make a strange sound. Boy, she'll jump up. And she won't come till I do it. Oh, she's a sweet baby. I pray to the Lord every day for that dog.
Oh, Tammy Faye.
Who you praying for to be elected?
Well, we're not real excited.
It was shot. It was shot in the shoulder. He came up from the answer line and another couple walked down the trail and stopped the spot off the trail. Sit down and we got up and lake out there, walked across and it was point line. And on the other side a bunch of trees and stuff. And he drives up the left. Didn't want 10 more feet to slip off. And I could see by the way he was running that he was hurt. We surrounded him, and I finally reached down and grabbed him, see if he shot and everything, and tried to take him into the range. He had a little cloth, tablecloth, put him in there, and tied his legs so he was fighting. We got within about 100 yards of ranger station, he died. Go ahead, big guy.
Okay. I got me a stick, so I need to back off of this for a minute. Come on in here. Over the gate. Get out of there. Get.
This is a good angle. From the back side.
Oh, don't push it. That's okay. Right club.
Hi, Nancy.
Nice
Right club, but I pushed it.
Act like it's good. They'll never know.
Just jump up and down and holler all right whether it's good or not.
Say hold.
Pretend you're hitting it at Larry Bone. She ain't got the camera on.
You're not keeping your head down.
No camera this time. Get it right.
There you go.
Get on in
Get up,
there.
get up, get up.
All right.
All right.
Nice shot.
It's hi, hi, yo, and oh, that is so pretty.